POV. You versus summer camping. Who wins? Me. Ready for nature. Nature unleashes heat wave. Tent turns into a sauna. Sweat level Olympic. Mosquitoes. Free spa day, courtesy of my sweat. Me. Googling how to survive tent meltdown. Amazon, hold my Prime delivery. Introducing my secret weapon, BougeRV portable air conditioner. 3500 BTU of pure chill. Goodbye, tent inferno. Cools 2 campers in a 64 Fiat Fumse F2 tent. APP control, because I'm too lazy to unzip. Tap, swipe, boom. Arctic blast in seconds. Portable design. Carry it like a boss. Van life, tent, tiny room. BougeRV's got you. Dual installation, floor or window. Flex like a meme. Compact and rugged. Survives your wildest adventure. Efficient cooling. Drops temp by 18 degrees in 15 minutes. Sweat? Never heard of her. Sleep mode, 50 dB whisper. Snore louder than the AC. Timer function. AC knows when you want to chill. Remote control, because walking is overrated. Multiple modes. Cooling, dehumidifying, sleep strong fan. Wind speed settings, choose breeze or tornado. Eco-friendly R290 refrigerant. Save the planet, stay cool. Energy efficient, 400 W power, wallet stays happy. Lightweight, 33 Tebs. Lift with one pinky almost. Easy carry handle. Gym membership not required. Flexible exhaust hose. Tent yoga level. Expert. Installation. Faster than finding Wi-Fi outdoors. Accessories included. No DIY panic attacks. Van owners. Your ride just gotta glow up. RV fans. Chill zone unlocked. Small room dwellers. AC flex for tiny spaces. Camping pros. Level up your gear game. Outdoor events. Be the cool kid on the block. Off-grid. BougeRV pairs with portable power stations. Solar panel compatible. Sun powers your chill. No more sweaty selfies, just frosty grins. Friends, why is your tent colder than my fridge? Me. BougeRV, baby. Uninterrupted rest. Mosquitoes hate comfort. BougeRV, the ultimate camping flex. APP control. Flex on your techie friends. Prime delivery. Chill arrives before your ice melts. Free delivery, because paying for shipping is cringe. BougeRV makes your tent cooler than your ex. Portable power station. Plug and play. Rooftop tent AC, off-road luxury unlocked. EVA foam board. Insulation like a pro. Rapid spot cooling. Become the campsite legend. Strong airflow, your tent, your wind tunnel. BougeRV, the MVP of outdoor comfort. Camping meme. Survive the wild thanks to AC. Final twist. Why sweat when you can BougeRV? Punchline. Buy now, chill forever. Link in bio. Your tent deserves this. BougeRV. Turning campers into cool legends.